All right, kids, I know you can name these birds. See this in your yard all the time. That bright multiple color, or iridescent it's called, it's a common grackle. Oh, now this one you see in a lot of times in flocks around a feeder. It's an American goldfinch, a beautiful bird in the summer, beautiful. And if you live almost any place in North America, you know this. Of course, it's a Canada goose. Here we have some youngsters in the spring. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to talk to a child about the wildlife you see. And thanks so much for watching.